Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Ethereum is undergoing a structural metamorphosis, shedding its retail-heavy skin for institutional muscle. Bitmine's Tom Lee argues that the asset's current valuation near $1,870 is not a peak, but a foundation. He points to two critical catalysts driving this pivot: the explosive $1 billion trading volume on Robinhood chain and the growing dominance of BlackRock's BUIDL fund. This signals a decisive shift. Capital is no longer just speculating on price action. It is settling on infrastructure. The wall between traditional finance and decentralized networks is crumbling. Meanwhile, the streaming giant is facing a harsh reality check. Netflix shares plummeted 8% in early trading. The culprit? A Q3 revenue growth forecast of just 11.7%. This figure misses consensus expectations and marks the slowest expansion rate since 2023. Despite a strong Q2 earnings report, investors are pricing in saturation. The era of hypergrowth is cooling. Wall Street is demanding proof of sustainable margins, not just subscriber counts. The market's reaction was swift and unforgiving. On the macro front, geopolitical friction is tightening global supply chains. Russia's energy infrastructure is under siege. Ukrainian drone strikes have crippled refineries across 88 regions. This supply shock is no longer theoretical. It is manifesting as fuel shortages and adding 0.3 percentage points to inflation. The ripple effects are already visible in emerging markets. In the Philippines, Jetty Petroleum and top-line project diesel prices will surge by P10 per liter. Tensions in the Strait of Hormuz are driving global oil costs higher. Energy security is becoming the primary risk premium in commodity markets. In related news, the enterprise software sector is rewarding strategic clarity. IBM stock surged 3.7% to close at $219.05. Investors are betting on CEO Arvind Krishna's pivot toward enterprise transparency and AI integration. The market sees value in a company that is actively reshaping its core business model. It is a vote of confidence in long-term transformation over short-term speculation. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet. There are no major high-impact data points scheduled within the next 36 hours. This absence of macro noise allows markets to digest the structural shifts in crypto, tech, and energy. Traders are left to navigate these sector-specific currents without the distraction of central bank speeches or employment reports. The focus remains squarely on corporate fundamentals and geopolitical stability. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.